Welcome back to another Roblox video. In this video I am on Welcome to Roblox Building, and I have designed some elevators. Main thing with the elevators is for circuitry. You could build the actual shaft however you want. You could put a button, the conveyor belts, and the actual gates wherever you want. For this video I'm going to put them in like two halves on top of the elevator to try and explain it best. You can put them wherever and just connect them the same way as I have. So these elevators are designed to try and be really realistic ones. So I press the button, it shows the elevators coming down, the door opens, I walk in, the door closes, then the elevator goes up, then the top doors will open. And I can do the same for going down. So the elevator comes up. If it's already up, it still shows that it's coming up, like coming to you, because there's no way I can detect whether the elevator is at the bottom or top. The time when the elevator starts going up, the arrows show that as well. So the arrows show whatever's happening, and it shows it on both up or down arrows. I've also designed one using the larger elevator, because there are two sizes of elevator in the inventory thing. And this one works exactly the same. This is also quite foolproof, because I was having a problem before. I had a slightly simpler design, and people would press the button, walk in at the bottom, and the elevator would end up coming down on top of them. But now I've got it set up so that the doors don't open until the elevator's actually already there. So I think this is enough of a demonstration of these elevators. I am going to show you how to build them. If we start by building the little one, it's exactly the same, just different height shaft, to be honest. So you can place your elevator wherever you want it. You have to get the wiring door, which is the doors that open in front of the elevator. So if I now make the actual shaft, for that you can just use normal blocks of any kind. And with the shaft you want to build up to the top of the elevator. Then you have to decide what side it's coming out on. I'm going to do this one the same as the other ones. So there we go, and I'm just going to make a little platform for my elevator to come out onto at the top. And then if we place all the other wiring bits and electronic bits, so the doors, I'm just going to put buttons on the wall, but you can put them wherever. And then if we put in the arrows, the actual gates, which I'm going to put on the top but can be placed anywhere. So for the circuitry you need 4 delay gates, and also you need 2 OR gates. So now that we've done that, we need to set the settings for everything. The buttons, if we set them to 2.5, then you need to go to 2 of the delay gates, and they need to be set to 2.5 as well. And then the other 2, and we need to set them to 7.5. Then we can start wiring up. So the way I'm going to explain this is I'm going to have 2 sections. These 3 gates on the left hand side, they're going to be the down gates. And then these on the right hand side will be the up gates. Go to your down OR gate, click on output, and you want to connect that to both the down arrows. And once you've done that, you also want to connect them to the go down in the elevator. Then on this side, the up OR gate, you want to put the output to the up arrows, both of them again, and also set it to the go up on the elevator. The other thing you need to connect these OR gates to is the down delay gate that has 2.5 as its timer, and do the same on the opposite side with the up OR gate and the up delay gate. Now those delay gates need to go to their doors, so the down delay gate needs to go into the door at the bottom, and the other one needs to go into the door at the top. So the remaining delay gates need to go into their OR gate on one of the inputs, it doesn't matter which one. And then you need to go to the other delay gate that is 7.5, so the up 7.5 delay gate, and put that into the up OR gate. Now all we have left to do is connect the buttons. So go and click on the up button, and connect that to two things. First, we need to connect it to the up OR gate, and also, this is the only bit where we go off the up and down thing, we need to connect the button at the top also to the down delay gate that has 7.5 seconds. And then we need to go to the button at the bottom and connect that to the down OR gate, and also connect it to the up 7.5 delay gate, which is this one here. If you don't understand this circuitry and just want to copy it exactly but don't want it on the roof, just copy this exact build but put it somewhere else. But now we should have a functioning elevator. So click, comes down, you can see both are working. Then it gives us a chance to walk in, and then it goes up. So that is working correctly. So if we try it and actually go in this time, here we go in, the door's shut, then we go up, and then the doors at the top open. So now we can fill in this hole because we don't need to access it anymore. Okay, so I've built it again using the taller elevator, and I've also changed pretty much everything that you can change. And I haven't changed the circuitry at all, I've just laid out the gates differently. I've also changed the buttons, moved them. I've also moved the conveyor belts, which are the arrows. I've twisted it so you come out the back. To do that, all you need to do is just put the button and the doors and that kind of stuff on the side you want it. The other thing I've changed is I've changed the time. So instead of being 2.5 for the buttons, I've made it 3, which also means I need to make the delay gates 3, and then the other delay gates 3 times as much as 3, which is 9. And now we have 2 awesome working elevators, and you can put these in your base however you want, and I would say they're quite good, realistic elevators. I think I prefer this layout, you know, rather than button on the floor. Button on the floor isn't very realistic. But I think that's going to have to end today's video. I hope you understood it all, or enough to manage to build it. If you have any questions or you can't understand, just comment down below and I'll try and help. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified. Bye!